Divas and Divos, it's me, just Londa, and I wanted to do an easy smoky eye for Thanksgiving. I don't know, I also have a foundation review coming up. I don't know which one's going to be first or if there'll be linked between the two, but I definitely want to try to get this tutorial out because I technically used two shadows except for the highlights under the brow and in between there, but for the coloring of it I basically used two. However, I did have to switch out a color underneath the eye because it was not popping as much as I wanted it to, so I had to switch that out. But other than that, Divas and Divos, this look is easy for Thanksgiving. Like, it's a good smoky eye. You can change your lip and just take it on out for if y'all go out partying later. So yeah, divas. Alright, divas. I'm just gonna head and roll this beautiful baked bean footage because I'm getting tongue tied. Alright, so I've got my brows on, I got my base on, everything. My backdrop is my face powder from Clinique. My lid color, well, my lid base is just a concealer from Too Faced. And yeah, so just kind of buff that out right quick. I'm gonna take a black pencil and just start at the base of my eye, and it's just gonna be as messy as you want it to be. Don't worry about it. Use this. I'm just gonna smudge it out. So we're gonna lay and smudge out. I really need to get another pencil. I just couldn't find anything at the moment. Just keep blending out till as smoky as you want it to be. I'm not going to take it above my crease hair. I'm just going to keep it really low and really tight. And put one more layer on there. Okay, let me do the other eye right quick. I'm gonna go into the Juvia's the Tribe palette by Juvia's and start off with this orange color hair. And I'm just gonna take a blending brush and put that right here in the crease. We're gonna start warming stuff up in there. So I hope everyone is doing all right for Thanksgiving. I hope people have plans. I hope no one's by themselves. That's cute. Because I just want a hint of orange popping through there. We're going to go in with this burgundy shade right here. We're just going to pat that all over the lid. I'm just going to use the brush that I used to smudge out that black. Now I'm just going to take that brush and kind of go up into the crease just a little where that orange meet. I'm going to go back into the orange and go back with that blending brush and kind of blend everything all out. I'm going to go into the other Juvia's Place palette here and tap this color, and I'm probably going to go into my face powder because I don't want it to be so stark, because it's going to be stark. So I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and get a mirror and hit like the highest point of my brow. So I'm just going to take my face powder and just blend on top of it so it won't be so stark. And I'm going to kind of blend out the outer parts of the eye as well. Okay, so I'm going to do my base and come back. All right, so I have my base on and everything. Review is coming up on the base. So what we're going to do is line the lower. So we're going to go ahead and line the waterline and the lash line, and then we're going to smudge that out as well. So don't worry about it if it gets too messy. So we're just going to smudge it out. As soon as I find a brush to smudge it out with, this will be fine. Okay, so we got that done as I held my breath. Like, I don't want to screw this up. We're going to start off with the orange again out of the Tribe Place. What is it? The Tribe. I said the Tribe Place. Okay. So we're going to take the orange here and just go ahead and start blending that underneath that eye. Let's see. I feel like that orange is not being pulled off right. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the other eye. Yeah, I'm going to grab Zulu right here and just sweep that on top of it, because maybe that'll darken it up just a little bit more. There we go. I'm going to take a flat brush and go into that plummy color right here and put that on top of the black. And for the inner corner of the eye, let's go into this color right here out the palette. Ooh, ooh, ooh. All right, so I'm going to throw on a lip, put on some lashes, and come back with the finished look. All right, Divas and Divos, this is the finished look. So I highlighted with my Juvia's Place palette from the Saharan Blush Palette Volume 1. I used Zara, but I also mixed up a little from the matte collection that I got, that opal, pink opal color. out of there. That's what I use as a highlight. As a blusher, I also used a little bit of Zane for my cheeks. For contour, I also use that palette. A little bit of Abby. For bronzer, I use Double Date from, it is called Double Date, okay, Double Date from the Lip Bar. The lashes on my eyes are Ardell 252, and sorry, the lips are YSL, I don't know, it rubbed off. It's like this pinky color here, looks like that. And I also topped it off with where is it? With Pat McGrath's lip color in Divine Rose. The lip liner of choice was a ColourPop color that was giving me nonsense. It was probably Boyfriend 3. So yeah, this is the completed look. Don't mind that my lashes might be a little bit wonky because I'm going to take them off, so I just threw them on so I could finish this look. But I am in love with this easy smoky eye. Love that. The face and stuff will be coming up probably after this tutorial, so you can just switch up anything you want to switch up to do this look. Am I saying that right? I don't know what I wanted to think. Sorry, I'm all over the place. But yeah, I don't know if the foundation review is gonna come first or this look gonna come first. Either way, they'll be connected somehow, some way. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this easy smoky eye. Like, we only used, well, technically we used 3 colors, but that was because that orange wasn't blending out properly, so we needed something lower for the lower lash. But other than that, yeah, this is it, Divas and Divos. I hope you enjoy. I hope you have a safe Thanksgiving and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and end it on this note. Peace and peace, Divas and Divos. Bye.